Hey friends, we are at the campground. Mom and I came out today to do some cleaning, not our big clean because our water isn't hooked up. There is water, but there's a guy coming to, this is how we camp. Like we literally don't know, I gotta do this stuff. So we just like, get people to do it. But so there's a guy that's coming to put the trailer up on the jacks, what you need to have it stabilized so it doesn't like wobble around when you walk on it. And he's going to hook up our water because he winterized it for us in the winter. So he's going to clear all our pipes and hook up the water to it. So we have water, but just not in our trailer at the moment because he didn't hook up the water yet. So anyways, that's what we're doing. We just stopped at the bathrooms, public bathrooms. I was just talking to the vlog. We stopped at the bathroom. So we're going to strip the beds. We're going to take all the dishes in. And I have like Windex and paper towel and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to do minimal cleaning, but get a start on it until we get our water. Oh, I forgot to bring the watering can. We have progress from yesterday, guys. They set up our deck, which is in rough shape, which we're actually going to be getting rid of. We're actually getting a new thing made. So this isn't staying. But I'm glad that they set it up for us. The season is in full swing. Our beautiful new picnic table. Let's get some windows opened in here. Let the air in. Oh, I brought little drinks to put in the fridge. Thought we could give all the fabric stuff, like the couch and stuff, a spray with that. Got Windex. We'll be able to get a few little things done. Yeah. I didn't have any Diet Pepsi, Mom, but I have Diet Dr. Pepper. And then I also have this hydration drink, which is 0 sugar. So if you want that, just. Ooh, the fridge is cold. Is it? Yeah. That's awesome. What? What? You have clothes in the closet? Can I take this paper off the door? What? Yeah. I got this shirt when I was away in New Brunswick at Erie. I love it. These shirts are so perfect for this, like camping. I can literally feel the camper moving. Can ya? Yeah. I didn't notice it not being on the jacks yesterday, but holy crap, do you ever feel it today? This is just going to be like the super, this like gives me anxiety. Like this door being all, like makes it feel like the camper's all, it's all from the hurricane. We're going to need to get like this is all on the outside. There's not even dirt going on the cloth, Mom. I'm doing the windows. It's all on the outside. Oh no. I just quickly did that because when this door is dirty, like I just feel like I feel trapped. The dirt was definitely outside. Oh, that already just seems so much better.
Toilet paper to start.
Well, that's good. That will get us through. What was that? Spices. Like, do you want to reuse that container? Well,
maybe.
I was gonna quickly, I know we're gonna do our official cleaning like when the water's set up.
Yeah.
But I'll just do a quick little wipe down with cleaner.
Do you have a garbage bag?
Yeah, I do. That's going in the garbage, yeah. Okay. I prefer to clean with like hot water.
Yeah, me too.
But just for right now, this is gonna be, this will be good. Yeah, that's good for right now. The trailer doesn't even like smell weird or nothing.
No, it smells great.
Gotta open these blinds the way we like them. What's that for? Do you need that still?
No, they should have a new piece. That's what I had to cut off to
Oh.
get it.
Okay, well, that'll be good for now.
Yeah.
Just to, whoa, get us going. It's hot in here.
Yeah.
Should we see if the AC works?
We could try it.
Will it work with no propane?
Oh yeah, you don't need propane.
Okay. Hi. Yeah. Down lower is what you want it, right? Oh yeah. She's working.
Working?
She's working. It's a little stale in this room.
You can open the window.
Yeah. What's that one open? I don't think this one opens. I think this one does. Just open this window. Hopefully, it is a little stale in this room. That's because this door was shut all winter long.
Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Not sure where to put. I got a new chair for out here, but it's still in town. I'm gonna bring it up tomorrow because tomorrow we're actually gonna have our first thing out here. We're gonna have a little cleaning party. We're all coming out. The whole entire fam, all the kids, all the grandkids, all the spouses. We're all coming out here. I'll do that, Mom. We're all coming out, and we're gonna clean this trailer up and just have our first, thing here, but put everyone to work, so this is what we got done today. So some of it's already in my car, but we got the bedding, we opened up the windows, aired this sucker out. I even cleaned the game. I wiped down everything just quickly with just cleaner and stuff and aired out all the cupboards, got rid of all the food. The dishes we're bringing in town. We're gonna run it through our dishwasher. Just airing everything out. That's all empty in there. And then we're gonna come back when we have our water hooked up and hot water and stuff. And we're gonna give everything a good scrub with some hot water and soap. But right now it's just more like you're not so like, oh, like when you come in. So we stripped all the bedding. It just smells so fresh in here. Like all the windows are open, getting some air in here because it was shut down all winter. But yeah, it's definitely coming. I feel like doing a round of the game before I go back in town. Oh, it's my first time sitting down in here. Okay, I still got my sunglasses on. It's bright. Okay, I just see myself in the viewfinder. I get myself situated. Okay, guys, I'm gonna play the game here. That's probably a good view. Watch me get it on the first try of the whole year. This game, if you know, you know. This is very popular. We leave it out here. We don't take it home because we don't want to like, we want it to be a camping thing. We don't want it to be a like just home thing. Like this is special. You can see through so good there. Oh, because the trailer's not there. I was like, why can I see like down that way? Okay, so only females can win. In our experience, we've only known females to win this game. It's kind of like Chinese checkers. Essentially, you just have to be left with one ball on the board. I've won. I've had a witness to one time, right? Did you win?
No, I think I got down to 2.
I don't even remember. Like, I'm not even doing my typical strategy. That's okay. Mom witnessed me winning once. My niece won once. Florence won, I believe. And that's all. It is so, oh, I'm so excited to be doing this. Okay. Do you imagine I just like win? I'm like, wow. I'm definitely not gonna win. Do you want to play?
After you.
Wait. Oh, I got down to 3. I'm rusty. We'll get there though. You guys will see me win this summer. You wanna try? I'll get it set up for you. This is where Mom playing the game. Oh, there she goes. Go, Mom, go. I hope you win. From now on, the new rule is if you play this game, you have to record yourself. So, because nobody believes, like when you win, nobody believes you. They're like, yeah, right, you need a witness. Because it's literally like, it seems impossible, but it's not. You can do it, and there's a strategy. I just forget it. Go, Mom, go. You're doing so good. No, you're doing really good. Oh! Down to 2. Down to 2. You bet me.
What did you get down to?
What? 3.
Oh my god.
Wow. You sure do like to get down to 2?
Sure do.
You sure do like to almost win on your first try. This is our first time seeing the animals this year. Hi, guys. Hi. He seems like he's fluffy.
Yeah.
Whoa. He seems hairier. Is he new? Was he here last year?
Yeah.
He was? He was all fluffy?
No, he wasn't fluffy.
Maybe that's like a winter coat? Oh my gosh, it's cute. Hi, guys.
These guys are a little bit more fluffier.
Yeah, they must like shed or something. I don't know anything about. You know what? I forget their names, but I have an idea. I think we should have our own names for them. Okay. Like my subscribers and me. We're gonna. How about we all name them and it'll just be like the names we call them. Sure. I feel like everyone names them here.
Yeah.
Like Florence has named them, but I don't remember their names. So how about? Okay, look over here. This is the black one. He's black and brown. So he needs an, is it a boy or that's a girl?
I don't know.
It is, that's the mother.
Maybe she's
Remember
pregnant.
she's the mother? I don't think she's pregnant, but I think that's a girl. So it doesn't matter, gender, whatever. You can name it whatever you want. But I think that one's female. This one here is like kind of like a redhead. She's redhead. Can they see her?
Yeah.
She's like redhead. She's a female and she has a bit of white, so that's her. And we're going to name these guys together. I'll figure out how we're going to, but
This guy's more with gray and black.
this is like a gray and black, but he's blonde or she's blonde. Oh, that's, I can't tell if it's a boy or girl. It's really small, but could be small enough to be a girl. I'm not sure.
It doesn't matter. They can be boy and girl. We don't care.
Okay. So there's this one that's gonna need a name. And then there's this one that's a donkey. Look at me and a donkey. Welcome to my summer home.
Oh, take a picture.
What? You take a picture. You take a picture. Ew. Okay, that one.
Just say, I think this one's a boy.
This one, I'm just giving them the name Mr. Big. I can't help it. No, I'm joking. Mr. Big? No. But, oh my gosh. Mom, why is it out like that? Is it always out like that?
I never noticed it before.
Are you happy to reunite with us? Oh my God, Mom. Oh, no, stop it. Mom, stop it. That's gross. What are we gonna do? Mom. Okay, so I think the other ones are girls. So I think we have 3 ladies and a donkey boy. Oh my gosh. So leave your suggestions down below. Okay, this is how we're gonna do it. Leave your suggestions down below for each one of their names. There's the redheaded one, the black and brown one, and the gray and white one, and the donkey. Hey guys, I'm editing this video right now. I apologize for the wind. I mean, I don't know. We're a one-woman show over here. I don't know what to do about it. I could get a wind muff maybe. I don't know if they sell those for phones. Maybe they do. But what I was going to say is that when we name these animals, I personally really like when you use human, like your typical human names for animals. Like, I like it better than like Buttercup or Sunshine. Like, those are cute, and we could definitely do it if you guys really want. But like, I feel like they need names. Like, one has to be like Joe. Like, you know what I mean? I don't know, like human names, like, you know, Susan, or like, not, you know what I mean? Like names. Let's try to do like names, but it's okay if you guys want to name one Sparkle. We can do that too. But like, I just think I love when animals have like human names. So anyways, I'm so excited. We're not going to take this lightly. Like, this is like serious business, guys. Like, we have goats, you guys. We got to name the goats. We can't just not. Okay, this is a big job. This is a big job, you guys. Okay, we're going to have to name the goats as well. The wind is getting too bad. I have to do this part voiceover. But we have this white and brown one. And then we have this little blonde one. And then, you guys, this black one. He's crazy. I don't know what to do about this one. Do what you want with that info, but he's crazy. Trust me, I know this. Oh my gosh. Mom, we're countryside, Jaclyn. Welcome to my farm, you guys. This vlog has turned into a 1 minute you're planting string beans, and the next minute you're a full-fledged farmer. Roosters. Oh my gosh. Hi. Okay. I'm not sure what to do about these guys.
Yeah, this is between ours.
This is just, we'll figure this out, but not in this, not maybe in the summer when we get familiar with everyone's names, because they need names too. Well, I think it's a good place to end this video. We're going to be back out tomorrow, probably vlog that, and
The roosters are saying bye.
let me know your best name suggestions down below. We'll sort it out together, guys. Okay, guys. See you probably tomorrow, but if not, very, very soon. Bye. Say bye, Mom. Bye.